And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both be numb. And she'll
Hello amazing human beings, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Leila Mekhdiyeva, and I'm back with another video. And as you can tell, it's a bit different because I'm wearing my glasses. And if you can see by the title of this video, there's a reason for that. This is my makeup tutorial for ladies who wear glasses on a daily basis. Honestly, I was inspired by my new glasses. These are Ray-Bans with golden frame, round glasses. As you can tell, I don't even know why I'm giving you a description of something that you can see on your screen right now, but just, you know, I need to be a good YouTuber and describe what I got. So yeah, I got these glasses pretty much like a few days ago, and ever since I got them, I knew that I need to film a makeup tutorial with them because I think that's such a good idea to just share my makeup tutorial for ladies who are wearing glasses, because I'm wearing glasses. And also I feel like I'm gonna be wearing glasses now much more often, because before I would just sometimes not wear them and not see the world around me, but now that I have glasses that took such a long time for me to find them, and when I finally found them, you know, I finally have them now, I think I will wear them as much as I can, and that is pretty much on a daily basis, every day. So this makeup tutorial is also good for girls who are working or going to university, and I think that's the vast majority of women in the world, so it might be inspiring for some of you, but honestly it's like specifically for glasses. So I really hope you guys will enjoy this video, and I'm really excited to show you how I created this makeup look and all the makeup products that I used. So with that being said, I also want to introduce this bad boy or bad girl, I don't know, I think it's a girl, right? It's like cherry, so. But let's not be sexist. This is the new eyeshadow palette by Naked, Urban Decay. This is cherry, you probably have seen it. It has been launched, I think, about a month ago. So I had to get my hands on it, and I finally did, and I'm super excited about it. And I created this makeup look with this eyeshadow palette solely. So, I mean my eye makeup look, not just like entire makeup. Yeah, my eye makeup look is definitely 100% Urban Decay Cherry. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and now without further ado, let's begin. Let me show you how to create it. And the first thing that I'm gonna start my makeup with is primer. I got this new primer by Too Faced. I don't know how new it is, but it's new in my personal makeup bag. This is a primer. I'm gonna apply it. It's Primed and Peachy by Too Faced.
yeah, this I know. She told me don't worry.
As you can see, the color of the primer is actually peachy, so makes sense that the name is Primed and Peachy. It's like, exactly. And I personally like how cool it is. Like, you just put it on and it's like cold, you know? So it's like cool. Not in a way that it's cold because it's like cold, but also it's cool because it's cold. I had 2 cups of coffee before filming this, so. And the next step, I'm gonna apply my foundation by Clinique. It's called Superbalanced makeup. So here you go. Need to shake it before. Okay, here's the color. So next step, I'm gonna apply my concealer by Maybelline.
And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both be numb. And she'll always get the best of me, the world.
So next step, I'm gonna brush my eyebrows with my eyebrow pencil, precisely my brow pencil, Benefit Cosmetics.
Told me don't worry about it. She told me don't.
Next, I'm using my Shade Plus Shade Brow Tint by MAC. And I'm only using Shade Side because Shape Side, the one with marker, honestly died out so quickly. That's why I don't buy markers at all, like even for my eyebrows or eyeliner. No, such a waste of money because I always run out of markers way too quickly and I'm not about that life. Now I'm gonna brush them again just to make sure. And now we can move to the part with my eyebrow pencil. So I'm gonna shape my eyebrows and make them look more defined. Now brush them again for the third time. I brush them a lot, but it's like, you know, it's a necessity because my eyebrows is such an important part of my makeup. I think not only for me, but for a lot of girls out there. So no matter what, it's the result that matters. No matter how many times I need to brush my eyebrows. And now the last step with my eyebrow routine that I'm sharing with you guys because I love you. So it's my brow gel by MAC. It looks like it's brown, but it actually was transparent. The only reason why it got brown is because I'm using the eyebrow gel after I finish my eyebrow routine.
Be beautiful and stay forever young. This I know.
So my next step is sculpturing, and I'm using my MAC Prep Plus Prime Beauty Balm SPF 35 to contour my nose and my cheekbones. I'm gonna leave it here for a second before I will blend it all and will apply my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. Okay, now we can blend this. Now the next part of the makeup routine for your glasses, and I think that's the most important one, is eyeshadow. When you're wearing glasses, in my personal opinion, it attracts more attention to your eyes, therefore your eyeshadow, therefore your eye makeup look, and your glasses of course as well. So today we're gonna try the new eyeshadow palette that I got recently and I haven't even opened it yet, so hence the package. It's Naked Urban Decay Cherry eyeshadow palette, and I really am excited to try it, and I'm happy that I'm gonna try it for the first time with you guys. Only need to open it, but I'll open it and we'll be right back. Ta-da! Look at this beauty. Oh my god. Look at all these colors. So as I'm trying this eyeshadow palette for the first time, oh my god, I'm dying with this package. It's so beautiful. I want to keep it forever. So I see so many colors and I don't know what to start with. I want to try Bang color and then move to Bang Bang. And then we'll see. Oh my god, look at this. Can you see? Like honestly, can you see? This is work of art. Oh my god, it's so good. And I'm gonna finish this eye makeup with Drunk Dial. Last color that I'm gonna use under my eyebrows is the Hot Spot. Okay, we're almost done with it. Just need to use my favorite part as highlighter. This one is Lou-Manizer by the Balm. A lot of you guys probably know about it, and it's my absolute favorite.
And I know she'll be the death of me. At least we'll both be numb. And she'll always get the best of me. The worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be.
And I'm also going to apply my favorite highlighter under my eyebrows because I love it when it's shiny.
About it, she told me don't worry no more. We both know you can't go without.
And finally, lipstick, the final part about this makeup is Urban Decay Vice, I think it's called. It's a cream lipstick that gives you this glossy look, but then also it's not too shiny. Something that I prefer. So your perfect nude lipstick by Urban Decay, in my personal opinion. And the shade is lighter. Just in case you want to know, here you go.
And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both be numb. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay.
So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
She told me don't worry.